Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dele. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in London. Welcome to my channel. First of all, I'd like to say thank you to all of my new subscribers, to those that watch my videos, like, share, and all of those good stuff. Thank you. Those that leave comments, thank you. I do read all of your comments. Thank you so much. So let's go straight into today's video. So last week when I uploaded the aloe vera hair treatment video, I got a lot of questions about the aloe vera oil because I spoke about the aloe vera oil briefly in that video. I did mention in that video that I was not able to record it, but people asked me questions about the oil, so I decided to record the video for you guys. We do it for you guys. So I'm not going to insert a clip. You guys are able to see the clip on how I was able to make the aloe vera oil. I know that's why you guys are here. The oil is right there. So I'm going to set the clip, you're going to watch the clip, and then at the end of that video I'll talk more about the oil, show you the oil, talk about the smell and what I'll be using the oil for. So do not skip, watch until the end and see you at the end of that video. Hello guys, show you guys how I make my aloe vera oil. For this aloe vera oil, you're going to need aloe vera leaf, which is right here. You're going to need the container you're going to pour the oil in when it's all done. You're gonna need extra virgin olive oil. You're gonna need coconut oil. If you can see the coconut oil. The pot I'm going to be using. Yeah. First of all, I need to wash and cut this aloe vera. So be careful with the edges. They are very sharp. So be very careful with the edges. Look at that, guys. Look. So much juice in it, so I'm gonna cut it. Just going to any of the Afro-Caribbean store where they sell African food. Most of them should stock aloe vera leaf. It wasn't hard for me to find because people were asking me where can they get it. So someone even said to me, did I plant it? I'm like, plant kit. Anyway, yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I'm going to put this in the pot. The pot I'm going to be using, I think I showed you guys already earlier. Yes. So I'm just going to pour the oil. I'm going to turn down the heat. Just going to pour a little bit of the extra virgin oil. Yes. I'm going to scoop the coconut inside the pot. Yes, just a little bit of it. Yes, and then I'm not going to add the small pieces of the aloe vera. I'm frying the aloe vera. Oh dear. Yeah, I think that's okay. Eat a bit, and I'm gonna let it sit for like 10-15 minutes. You would know when it's ready because the aloe vera will change color to like, I can't remember the color it changed earlier the last time I done it, but we will find together. So you're just gonna leave this to sit for a few minutes, 10-15 minutes. So this is it, guys. You can see that the aloe vera has been fried or cooked, whatever way you want to see it. So I'm gonna turn off the heat now and let it settle for a few minutes. Obviously it's quite hot now. Very, very hot. Let me see if I can pour the spoon. All of this goodness for my hair. So this is what the oil looks like now after it's cooled down. So I'm not just going to, I've got this very tiny funnel and I'm going to pour it into this transparent container. I got this from £1 store. Where is the rest? It's like, you know, your travel essentials for when you're going through security. I got it £1. So yes. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get the oil into this container. So I'm gonna pour it here. I don't know if I can do it here straight away. I'll see. Of course. Thank you for watching the video this far. So this is the oil. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. So first of all, I need to give credit to the YouTubers that I watched. Although I can't mention any YouTuber right now because there are a lot of YouTubers that I watched in order for me to get this recipe. This is not my recipe. So thank you for all those YouTubers that created a video about the aloe vera oil. I got the recipe from YouTube. Although I'd also read about it online, but this is not my recipe. So I thought to say that before we go into this video. So this is the oil, guys. So I'm going to be adding this oil to my oil mixture. I'm going to be adding this oil. I'm going to be adding the aloe vera oil to that mixture. Also going to be adding the aloe vera oil to my leave-in conditioner. And then also, if I have any left, I'm going to be adding the oil to my moisturizer. I have a dry skin, so I like oil-based moisturizer. So I'm really happy to add this to my moisturizer. So hopefully so that's the plan. So I'm so happy about that. And then yes, let's just see what this oil looks like. You guys can see this. Yes. So I'm just going to apply it to my arms, also to my face. Can you guys see this? Yeah. Feels so good on my skin. I love it, love it, love it. But let's talk about the smell. Let's talk about the smell. Smell. So yes, for me, I love the smell. It smells so good. I love the smell. I can mainly smell just the aloe vera, a bit of the coconut. I can't smell the extra virgin oil. I love the smell. I'm okay with the smell. Just be careful, guys. I was doing some research about aloe vera and some people do react to it. So make sure you do your research. If you have if you're allergic to certain things, make sure you do your research and find out if you're not allergic to aloe vera. For me, thankfully, I'm not allergic to anything. So I've not had any issues with it. I've not had any side effects from using the aloe vera treatment and also the aloe vera oil. So yeah, just do your research. And also, like I said, the main reason why I'm using this aloe vera oil because I heard it's very good for hair growth. Yes, so, and the other benefits which I'll put on the screen, but my main hair growth. So yes, so this is my hair length for now. So let's all look at, so this is my hair length for now. If you guys can see, let me move back. So this is my hair length for now. So over 2 months time, I will do a feedback and see if the aloe vera treatment and aloe vera oil is helping my hair to grow faster. I'm going to be doing the aloe vera treatment once a week. That's my plan. And then obviously the aloe vera oil is already mixed with my leave-in conditioner and my oil mixture. So hopefully with all of those mixture and with I'm also trying out the rice water experiment in another video. I'm going to be recording that video in the next few days. So that's my plan. And yes. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you like this video, share, subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.